So my name's Rosalind.
Yeah.
And I come from Chennai.
Okay.
I was born and brought up in Chennai, and recently we moved to Gurgaon. Yeah, I love music. I love singing. I do Western vocals, and I
Okay.
do play the piano, but I'm definitely better at singing. Music is it has always been my thing. Where I come back home and I wanted to spend time with myself, I listen to music. Hobbies and music, I love drawing and painting, and I've been a very creative person. Yeah, well, if I want to listen to covers done by my friends or Boys Avenue, if I want to listen to covers by them, then I go for SoundCloud, but mostly YouTube because
YouTube.
yeah.
And,
Yeah, I'm very choosy. Like I don't listen to metal or heavy. I'm into light music. I've tried composing my own music on the piano,
yeah.
but I don't know. I've never like ever played it to someone and showed, so I really don't know how good or bad it is. But it's like hardly 2-3 bars of music, so
Yeah.
it's not like a huge song. And about music competitions, yeah, I've participated in most of the music competitions in my school. No, I haven't shared.
Why?
Because I don't know. It's just that sometimes when I feel really jobless, I sit with my Casio keyboard and just like try
But
my hand. at it.
given-
I don't know. I'm not very confident at it. Probably if I work on it more, like say I work on the music more and get it to a level where I can showcase it to people,
Yeah.
then I'll be very confident in doing it. YouTube, I convert YouTube
Into MP3.
Yeah, and into MP3, download it, then put on my iPod, and it's hardly like a second.
Even-
I don't disclose my because I keep getting spam mail. Well, YouTube I log in from my Gmail account.
Oh.
Not a registered user. Because I feel there's nothing more that they give for the registered user. So one thing is the time it takes to download.
Yeah.
That's the main criteria because obviously all of us have a lot of things to do.
Yeah.
So the quality also does matter, and you know, like different versions of the same song you get in YouTube.
Lot of
Variety also matters. Mind going through each and spending time. But in case search engines are so advanced that if you use the right choices of
Yeah.
words, you get the video that you want. Scams, because what they do is they ask you to download some software for it, and there's a virus coming along with it, and it jams your or something. Then I listen to music according to that.
Which you
Really excited also I listen to music because I think that's one way I channelize my energy. See friends
friends.
and to academy where I go, the teacher talks about
Any-
the top 50 charts and even on the radio especially.
So
New
you
music
get-
you get to know on the radio.
So you-
Ever.
Never.
But I've purchased CDs only if it's Adele. Her recent album 21 I've purchased.
20.
I went to the store, I went to Landmark and I purchased a CD. Online I purchase hangers and clothes and
Online?
stuff online. I use Flipkart, books especially.
Yeah.
If I've used eBay, I've used Inkfruit, I've used Snapdeal,
Okay.
debit card.
Debit card. As a parents' debit card.
Yeah.
So you find
iPod on my phone,
phone.
and when I used to live with my parents, the car MP3,
Okay.
the car, aux.
Okay. So you connect the aux to
Connected
the.
to I'm more hooked on to my iPod.
Okay.
To music on my Kindle. That's my favorite. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever.
Been trained in Western classical music, so I'm actually a trained Carnatic singer, but I just switched over a few years back when I discovered I can sing Western.
Okay. So
Yeah, in my school I've been singing for a very long time, like bhajans and like Carnatic music for a really long time. Vocalist with the school band. Not a lot. I'm not exactly. I don't listen to music all the time, but when I have the mood, I listen to music. Like this kind of music, so go listen to
So
it.
they send you the link.
Yeah, I listen to that, but mainly I don't really like to listen to what people assume I like. I like to discover my own taste. I don't exactly have a particular taste in any kind of. I listen to what I like, what I think sounds nice, so that varies a lot. Music on SoundCloud because I listen to a lot of artists from Chennai
Okay.
who I've seen perform live, and I listen on YouTube. I listen I also like now and then I visit Billboard.com and see what the trending, what the music, see what's trending, what's the most played music, what everybody's listening to, and if I think I'm like a little disconnected from the rest of the music world, so I just go there and I see the Verb Nation. There are a lot of these independent bands, these upcoming bands, they upload their music.
Okay.
Because I have my own SoundCloud page.
Okay.
Other than that, yeah, YouTube account, everybody. I knew it was there, so I used to go there a lot. Then when I finally decided, I should start putting up my own music too, then that's when I created an account on SoundCloud. And only after that, I became a user of SoundCloud, and then I saw various artists there.
So
Yeah, you can follow people. You can like their sounds. You can repost. I used to upload their covers on YouTube.
Yeah.
But because there's no point in really putting an audio clip on YouTube because it's mainly for video.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't like to be on video when they're singing. They think they're very conscious of how they look.
Okay.
And all that. So SoundCloud it's just your music. So that way, people are not concentrating on your face or anything else. They're just listening to your music. It's engaging because, I listen to the music. If I like a song, I go and search for it. I listen to how everybody else has covered the same song, how all the versions they've done. So, I find that very interesting. I like to learn how people can, manipulate the song and sing it. Song suddenly out of nowhere. So I'll go listen to the song. Or some other time, I'll feel like, I feel really sad. Maybe I'll go listen to a sad song. So I'll keep playing that on loop over and over and over again. And I have a lot of moods where I just listen to one song which I think sounds really good. I'll be listening to the same song for 2-3 days continuously. Then I'll get bored. New releases, through friends definitely.
And Billboard.
Yeah, Billboard.com.
Yeah.
Through the radio. And
Yeah.
also Facebook, because when there's a new song, everybody's just talking about it. Offline, but I do have a lot of music offline. But I don't have a lot of songs. Yeah, I have my favorite things. I don't just download everything. I download to what I know.
No, not at all. Okay. So
Music, but I would have a problem setting a tune to it because I don't know Western classical music. I don't know the note. Music. I like the sketch drawing, drawing all that time. Just a lot of things. Online shopping, Card.com, Myntra,
okay.
Jabong,
Yeah.
LimeRoad,
LimeRoad.
Zimante, credit card, my
Credit
mom's
card.
credit card.
You use credit card. Not
Yeah.
you people don't use
Very rarely,
Okay.
but credit card mostly because
It's simple.
Yeah, very simple.
Have you ever tried?
Debit card.
So how
I prefer the credit card because debit card is a little more.
step?
I listen on my iPod, I listen on my phone.
Okay.
When the radio is there, if I'm in a moving car and I'm feeling bored, I listen to it on the radio. I listen to it on the radio, on the stereo system on the car.
Okay.
And yeah, I do listen my aux cable to the stereo sometimes.
Okay.
I have an iPhone, so I don't use it that often. But if I want to watch movies or something, I use my iPod. But I use my iPhone mostly for iTunes.
Okay.